Okay, hi student. We continue our lesson, Scale Drawing, Chapter 1, Part 2. Chapter 4, Part 2. Make sure you already done your Part 1 to more understanding. Okay, our learning standard is to draw the scale drawing of object and vice versa. Okay, there are three ways to draw the scale drawing of an object. First one, use grid paper of the same size for different scales. Use grid paper of different sizes. And draw on a blank paper according to the given scale. Okay, let's see one by one. Okay, draw the scale drawing of shape PQRS on a grid of equal squares using a scale of 1:1/2. Okay, remember, this is the form of 1:n, where n, if n less than 1, 1/2 is less than 1, means your scale drawing will become bigger to size, because here 2. So if length of PQ is 3 unit, then your answer will be 6 unit. So we draw the shape PQRS using the scale, using the equal squares grid. Okay, here you can see P1, P prime, Q prime, 6 unit. The actual 3 unit. So here 6 unit. SP 1 unit. So the scale drawing will become 2 unit. Okay, this is the first way by using the same equal grid. Okay, next. Diagram triangle PQR is drawn on a grid of 1 prime 1. Redraw triangle PQR with the grid paper with the dimension of 1.5 times 1.5 and 0.5 times 0.5. Here, the different only the size of grid. Different sizes of grid. So this is the answer. The unit still the same, but we use different sizes. This one, the actual is 1 cm times 1 cm square. But for this, 1.5 times 1.5. And for this, 0.5 point 0.5 cm. Okay, next. Construct the scale drawing of triangle PQR using a scale of 1:2. Here 2 is greater than 1, means your scale drawing will reduce the size by 2. If here 6 cm, then your triangle, your length of PQ will become 3 cm. Same goes to length QR. If here 4 cm, then your scale drawing will become 2 cm. But remember, the angle remain unchanged. So you can construct angle 30 degree first, and then angle P prime Q prime 3 cm. Length P prime Q prime 3 cm, and length Q prime R prime 2 cm. Okay. So next, you can do mind test 4.1c for more understanding for this subtopic. Okay, next. Learning topic 4, which is the last subtopic for this topic. Solve problem involving scale drawing. Okay, let's see this example. The distance on a map between Bintulu and Miri is 4 cm. Okay, this is on map. Okay, the distance between Bintulu and Miri is only 4 cm. If the scale used to draw the map is 1 cm to 50 km, calculate the actual distance in kilometer between Bintulu and Miri. Okay, first thing you have to understand the question. The map use this scale. 1 cm equals to 50 kilometer. If on the map, Bintulu to Miri is 4 cm, so what is the actual distance in km? So this is the scale. If 1 cm 50 kilometer, so 4 cm will become 200. We just time 4 to 50. So thus the actual distance is 200 kilometer. So B, if the map is redrawn to a scale of 1:2 million, calculate the distance between Bintulu and Miri on the new map. Okay. Same question as just now. We know that Bintulu and Miri, the actual distance is 200 kilometer. If you still remember, this one, the actual distance is 200 kilometer. So now, just now, the map is using 1 cm to 50 kilometer. Now, we want to redraw to the scale 1:2 million. 2 million here means 2 million cm. 1 cm on map equals to 2 million cm in actual. So this is our scale. So we want to find the distance between Bintulu and Miri on the new map. So this one. This is the actual distance from Bintulu to Miri. So we add 10 to become this. So we have to do the same thing at 1 times 10. Sorry. Okay, we times 10 for this. Then the answer will be 10. So distance on drawing is 10 cm. Okay, next question. Mr. Dominic Lajawa and family want to visit Miri. If he plans to drive to Miri at a speed of 80 km per hour, calculate the time taken to drive from Bintulu to Miri in hours and minutes. Okay, remember the actual distance from Bintulu to Miri just now? Yeah, is 200 km. So, we use the formula time is equal to distance over speed. So, we want to find the time. Our distance is 200 km and the speed 80 km per hour. So, we get 2.5 hours. But the question wants you to give your answer in hours and minutes. So, just change this to hour and minutes. So, the answer is 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay, next. The diagram shows a right angle triangle. A scale drawing of the triangle is drawn on the scale is 1:1/3. Calculate the area in cm square of the scale drawing. Look at this scale. If here less than 1, which is 1/3 is less than 1, then the scale drawing will become bigger 3 times. So, to find the area, you have to use the formula of area of triangle, which is 1/2 times base times height. So base we times 3, height also we times 3. So the answer is 1944 cm square. Okay, next. Okay, that's all. For more understanding, you can do mind test 4.1D. Okay, thank you. See you next lesson.